Nightfox Corsac is a digital night vision device with a revolutionary eyepiece and a true high-definition 1080p sensor. It can be used night and day and has a range of around 200 yards. In the box you'll find a carry case containing the Nightfox Corsac, a manual, a neck strap, and a USB cable. So let's get started. The Corsac has a removable battery magazine located on the bottom of the unit. To release the magazine, squeeze the two catches and pull out of the unit. The Corsac takes 6 alkaline or lithium AA batteries. To reinsert the battery magazine, push it back into the unit until you hear a click. To turn on the device, hold the power button for 3 seconds until you see the 2 information screens. This symbol indicates the battery power. The Corsac comes with a 32GB microSD card, so it's ready to use out of the box. If there is no SD card in the Corsac, this symbol will appear. The memory card slot is located on the side of the Nightfox behind a rubber cover. This symbol will then appear if the memory card has been inserted correctly. In daylight, the lens cap acts as an infrared filter to optimize performance. Remove the lens cap for nighttime operation. Press these 2 buttons to change the infrared LED brightness. There are 7 IR power levels. A higher power increases the viewing range. The LED will softly glow red on the higher IR settings. Press the zoom button to digitally zoom in at multiple magnification levels. Once reaching 2 times, press again to disable digital zoom. Turn the wheel anti-clockwise to focus on objects further away in the distance. Turn the focus wheel clockwise to reach the minimum focal distance of 50 centimeters. Press the M button to switch between 4 modes. Video mode for taking videos. This is the default mode when you turn on the device. The top right hand corner shows how much space is left for video on the memory card in hours, minutes and seconds format. Press the record button to start and stop recording. The next mode is photo mode for capturing still images. This number indicates how many more photos the memory card can store. The playback mode is for watching videos and photos stored on the memory card. Use the plus and minus buttons to scroll through your photos and videos. The bottom left hand corner will display AVI if it's a video or JPEG if it's an image. To play or delete a file, press the OK button to bring up the options menu. Use the plus and minus buttons to scroll up and down the options menu and the OK button to select an option. And finally, the settings mode for configuring settings like date and time and the automatic powering off. Use the plus and minus buttons to scroll up and down and the record button to select an option. Format TF erases everything on the memory card. Power save. Configure the Nightfox to turn off after a certain period of non-use. Date and time. Set the date and time used for the timestamp, which appears at the bottom of the photos and videos. Flicker. Select 60 Hz for optimum performance. TV standard. Pick between NTSC and PAL. NTSC is the default option. Screen backlight, where you can choose between 8 levels of brightness. The date and time tag. Enabling this will print a visible timestamp on your videos and photos. And version displays the firmware version installed. To download and watch videos and photos, plug in the supplied USB cable to your Nightfox and the other end into your Mac or PC. A memory card sign will display on the viewing screen. On Windows computer, navigate to the File Explorer or find File Explorer in the Start menu. On Macs, use Finder at the top of the page. The Nightfox will appear as a USB drive. You will find your videos and photos in a folder there. To fasten the included neck strap, feed the strap from the outside in through the tether points on each side of the device. Create some slack by pulling the strap upwards in the middle of the plastic fastener. This will create a loop. Thread the ends of the strap through and tighten both ends to fix the strap to the tether point. And press the power button for 3 seconds to turn the device off.